In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Typeform for email marketing. Typeform is an intuitive tool that allows you to create engaging forms, surveys, and more. These forms can be leveraged effectively for email marketing, helping you capture leads and gather valuable insights. Let's dive in and explore how you can create and distribute a Typeform as part of your email marketing strategy. To begin, navigate to the Typeform workspaces. This is your starting point, where you can see all your current projects. From here, click on Create a New Form. This opens up a world of possibilities, and you'll see various templates and options you can explore. However, for today's tutorial, we're going to start from scratch, allowing you to tailor each part of the form to your specific needs. Click on Start from Scratch, and you'll be taken to a blank canvas. Here, you can select the content that suits your goal, whether you're looking to gather feedback, capture leads, or simply engage your audience. There are diverse question types available, like multiple choice, short answer, or rating scales. Tailoring your form is crucial, as this ensures the questions resonate with your audience and yield the data you need. After selecting your content, click on Add Content. This allows you to include additional questions or elements such as images and videos that can make your form more engaging. Think about your audience and what format will best suit them. Visual elements often make forms more appealing, increasing the chances of participants completing them. Once your form is complete, it's time to share it. Click on Share at the top of the screen to explore your distribution options. Here, you can choose to copy the link to your form, which can be distributed through various channels. However, embedding the form directly into your email can often be more effective, as it keeps your audience engaged without needing them to click away. To embed your form, click on Start Embedding. This will provide you with the code necessary to include the form in your email. Copy this code and navigate to your email distribution application, whether you're using MailChimp, Constant Contact, or another email marketing tool. There's usually an option to add custom code. Once in your email distribution app, paste your Typeform code where necessary, ensuring it's positioned for maximum impact. Consider the overall design of your email and how the form fits within it, maintaining a clean and approachable layout. And that's it. You've just learned how to leverage Typeform for email marketing. By embedding interactive forms into your emails, you not only make them more engaging, but also open new avenues for collecting valuable data. Thanks for watching, and happy form creating.